best pear I've ever had. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. So right now I'm actually in my beauty room and I was just gonna film getting ready, putting a little bit of makeup on. I'm just gonna go run some errands and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I need to go shopping for people's like stocking stuffers for Christmas, and then I also need to go to Home Goods because I really want to buy I'm pretty much decorated downstairs. This is not Christmas, by the way, this is home decor. The only thing that I'm missing is something for my kitchen island. I just feel like it's always very plain because I don't have anything there. I'm gonna buy like a tray for maybe some flowers and a candle. I'm just going to start doing my makeup. I'm gonna go in with some Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4.5. You guys know tinted brow gel is just like my jam. Like, and this wand is so small that it like works perfectly even when you have thin brows. As you guys know, I do go in with some pomade. Like 4 people just called me. Anyways, I just cannot believe that I just now, like the past couple months, discovered tinted brow gel. I just never thought that I needed it, and it's like, man, if you just need like a quick way to do your brows, this is the way to do it. And I guess I'm just gonna speed you guys up because this is not a makeup video, it's a vlogmas, so I'm just gonna speed it up and finish getting ready. So I'm done with my makeup, but I just wanted to tell you guys the video where I did my current favorites and I talked about the Deck of Scarlet mascara. This is what it looks like. Look how good it is. It's so good at separating and adding volume. And by the way, if you're wondering my lip color, I have 2 Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks on. I mixed nude and 1995. I do have a code for a discount if you guys want it. It's right here. So I'm just gonna go get dressed. I think I need a hat. This is what happens when you go to sleep with your hair wet. Look at this little cutie sleeping on my laptop. Are you a YouTuber now? Falling asleep on a laptop? You little baby. Oh, I love you. Hey guys, so I'm at the gas station right now and I just wanted to show you guys that I'm wearing my squad hat. I didn't wear the crew neck because I didn't want to be that annoying person that like wears all their merch all at once. These sunglasses just came in the mail. I got them from KOKIE, Australia. These are the Desi Perkins Don't At Me sunglasses with the fade. And I just checked my mail and I just got them and I am in love.
Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again.
Man, it just took me so long to get here, like way longer than I anticipated. And I just realized I probably came at the absolute worst time possible because it is a Saturday and I could have came yesterday. I really could have, but you know, I don't think things through, as you can see. So let's hope for the best. Let's go. We are right now at Home Goods. I'm gonna look at Home Goods, Ross, and Marshalls. You know the deal. Those are the stores. Let's do it. I will say the weather is really, really nice, so that's something to be thankful for. Okay, so right off the bat, I already see something that I like. See, this could work for my centerpiece. This might be a little too big though, I'm not gonna lie. What about this? I like this, but I wish it was a little bit, I wish it was all white. See, literally all this is like my home aesthetic, and I kind of, what if I put one of these in there? This is $7.99. You know what, I'm gonna look at trays and I'll come back to all the little things because I need to go look for what's actually important. Oh man, that was cringe AF. Okay, so these are the first trays that I've actually seen, and everything's wood, and it absolutely does not go with my house. Low-key though, how much anxiety are you getting from all this stuff? Like literally, this place is insane. There's way too many things and way too many people. So I found these, but I don't know, they're not really my style. It's just like a little too much. Dang it, I don't think I'm gonna have any luck here. This might be a fail. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this glass ball and wish for it. Ooh, this one's better. Wish for it to help me find a tray. Wow, that was a major fail. They literally had so many people that they literally ran out of cards. When was the last time you went to a store and they ran out of cards? I just wanted to give a big shout out to people that are working during the holiday season, especially in retail, because man, I feel bad for you guys. But I appreciate you and I respect you. So now I'm gonna try to go look at Ross. They don't have much home stuff, but you know what? I'm already here. I drove 30 minutes. I might as well go check. And there are people staring at me vlogging, and guess what? I am not caring. I am not caring. Maybe just a little bit. Seems like all these things are like so in right now or something, but this is literally what I need, except not with this. Like this is exactly what I need, just different. Okay. So here are all the trays. As Wyatt would say, what a cluster. Oh my god, I definitely made a mistake by shopping today. It is so crowded. There's absolutely nothing. And all there is like Christmas stuff, so like regular home decor is like really hard to find right now. So I just feel like every time I pull out a camera, things just don't work out for me because the YouTube gods are against me. So right now I'm gonna go to Marshall's, and it's just like my Hail Mary. Is that what you call it? Your Hail Mary? Like your last chance, like your last try? Let's see what we can do. All I'm finding is things that I don't need. That's all I'm finding. Things that I don't need. Hey guys, wow. That shopping trip was unnecessarily stressful and I did not like it at all. And it was just too much. Like I was telling you guys, I respect people that work retail during these times of the year, because not only is it so stressful already because everyone's trying to shop, but I feel like once people get in like a stressful situation, that they just stop being nice. And like that's something that I like consciously try to do, is even when I'm stressed out, I'm still gonna be nice. And oh my goodness, people are not self-aware or have personal space. I was literally in line at Marshall's and there was this guy right here, like, and I'm just like, hey, like there's room, like he could really like be back there. And I kept walking and he'd be like right here. Even when I like walked to the left, he would come to the left, walk to the right, and I'm just like, what is up with this guy? Like, it made me really uncomfortable. I just don't like when people are like right here in the line. And then also, right as I'm like, it's my turn and I'm like on my way to the cashier, this lady drops all her coins on the floor. I'm talking like 30 coins. Like she was paying in quarters for her purchase. And I'm just like, I'm like trying not to lose my cool. So I'm just, you know, I help her, you know, whatever. I keep on walking. Anyways, I just really needed to rant a little bit because it was nuts. The best advice I can give to anyone is do not go shopping in person in December. So anyways, long story short, I ended up not finding what I needed whatsoever, but I ended up finding stuff that I didn't need and I purchased them. So I figured I have a little bit of makeup that I got from PR. I bought some merch from one of my favorite YouTubers, and I also wanted to show you guys what I bought at Marshall's. I'm gonna take these whitening strips off because it's been 30 minutes and I feel like I have a lisp. So let's start out with things that I got at Marshall's that I didn't need. This is what I bought that I didn't need. But I did get some stocking stuffers, which I probably shouldn't be showing in this video because my family watches. But I'll show you guys what I bought for myself. So first of all, I got this. This is just like an acrylic organizer. It was $9.99 and that's kind of why I got it. And I feel like this would fit perfectly in my IKEA drawers. I have been thinking about filming a makeup collection video. It's not... Hey cat, can you not make my video shaky? Gotcha. Hey, can you stop pretending like you don't love me? Please? I've been wanting to film a makeup collection, mainly because you guys have just been asking me. And I think it'd be interesting because obviously it's not gonna be like your typical beauty guru, huge collection. I am more of a micro influencer, obviously, so I feel like it's like something different. Like I can show you what my collection is. It's kind of like in between a normal person and then like a really big YouTuber. So if you're interested, let me know. Next, I actually got this, which is just a repurchase. This is the Matrix Biolage conditioner. This one is called Sugar Shine System. These huge bottles that are 34 fluid ounces are only $16, whereas they're usually $30. So, and these Biolage ones are so good. And lastly, I got this scarf. It was only $14.99, and I got it because it looks like Burberry without the Burberry price. And to be honest, I just like the look of it. Obviously it looks cool because it looks like Burberry, but I just love the brown plaid, and I'm about to go to 2 different trips where it's gonna be really cold. So I figured this would go with everything, and it's really nice. All right, so that's all I got for myself. It wasn't too bad. I ended up buying a bunch of stuff for other people. Now I wanted to open this up. This, if you guys don't know, I have a friend who's a YouTuber. Her name is Jamie French. She like recently blew up. We had her on the same size channel, and now she has like over 100,000 subscribers. So I'm so proud of her. She deserves it more than anyone. So I ended up buying some of her merch. I bought a coffee mug. Okay, I had to move, and now you guys can see my whole mess because these cats wouldn't leave me alone. But anyways, this is the mug. Jamie, congratulations, your merch is awesome. Next, I have this big box from Pup Beauty. So these are called their permanent pouts. They're perfect velvety matte lip paint for your perfect pout. These are all the shades that they gave me. So this is what they look like. Oh my god. Ooh. They gave me little wine glasses. How cute. I guess I'm gonna have to open a bottle of wine and try these glasses out. So this is what they look like. I really enjoy the packaging, and like this is the color. Very cool. I'm gonna try these out tomorrow. It's my dad's birthday and I'm gonna do my makeup, so we'll see how long wearing they are. Apparently they're kiss proof, so I guess we'll need Wyatt to figure that one out. Lastly, I have this package from Alter Ego. I went ahead and took all the palettes out of the carton so that way it would be a lot easier. So I've never actually tried Alter Ego. They actually reached out to me on Instagram, and I do have my P.O. box on my Instagram, so if you ever want to send me anything, which don't ever feel like you need to, but if you have like a small business or something and you want me to see it, definitely just send it over there. It obviously looks a lot like the ABH Soft Glam, and this looks exactly like the Huda Beauty Nudes palette, which I actually do have, and I actually don't know what this would be a dupe for. I don't want to assume that it's a dupe, but I'm assuming that it's a dupe. And then this one, I know for a fact it's a dupe for Natasha Denona. So these are what the palettes looks like. Oh my god, these feel so nice. Let's see. So here are some swatches. Let me know if you guys want me to do some videos with these. Hey guys, it's future me. I'm vlogging on my phone right now, but I just realized that I didn't even tell you guys about the vitamins that you saw me take at the beginning of that video. It was the Hum vitamins, and there was one for skin hydration and glow, and then the other one was for stronger, healthier hair. And I just wanted to let you guys know, I did get them in PR and I was supposed to review them, and I've been taking them for the past couple weeks and I really haven't seen much of a difference with them. The only thing maybe I saw a difference with was my hair. It definitely looks a little bit shinier and healthier, but as the skin goes, I actually haven't even been having a good skin month anyways. So that's kind of my review. I just didn't see much of a difference. Not that it didn't work out for me, they just didn't do much of a difference, but I will say they taste amazing. So it was really easy to take them because they're literally like a snack gummy. So yeah, anyways, if you've been wondering, the skin and hair one for me didn't really do much. Back to the video. So that is it, guys. That was today's Vlogmas. It was just one day. I hope that you guys enjoyed just hanging out with me. If you've noticed, Wyatt wasn't in this video at all, and that's just because he's out of town. So since he's out of town, I'm probably just gonna cuddle up and watch some girly movies that Wyatt wouldn't normally want to watch, because now I have the freedom to. But I do really miss him. I've been a little lonely, but I bought Chipotle today and that made me feel better. Anyways, guys, I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas.